What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to continue working on our 2020 Mustang GT. As you know, in previous video we completely cleaned the car and check out our damage. So let's go ahead today and remove some parts which we need to clear it before we start our body work. But before we start working on the Mustang, we have found some parts for our Mustang, so let's go and pick it up. Okay guys, we are here and we already bought the bumper, trunk lid and exhaust. Since the exhaust is too big, we cannot take it right now, but we will pick it up later. And we have bumper and trunk lid in our back seat right now. So let's go home now and start working on our Mustang GT. So we are back and we have picked up the rear bumper and trunk lid. These are the used part and they have some scratches and scuffs, but we are going to paint it so it's not a problem. And I have got really good deal, so it's way better than buying a brand new part. Okay guys, our car is outside and it sounds amazing. As you can see, I have cleaned all of this part. If you watch the previous video, it was way in bad condition because of that stuck plastic and glue. But I spent my lots of time. It took me almost 6 hours to clean the roof. Also, I have cleaned the door completely. And even the quarter panel. It's completely clean from the glue. Also, I did the exactly same on this side. It's completely clean. I used the gasoline and a credit card to remove all the stuff. If you have noticed, we have got the white color spoiler. It's a used one, but there's no scratch, nothing, so it's like a brand new. We have to just repaint it. That's it. So that's it for the parts. Let's start removing all the broken parts. So I'm going to start with the trunk lid. So I'm going to remove the trunk lid. Then I will go inside and remove the rear seats and go to try to remove the inner liner. This light is completely broken, so it's a useless. We have to get the new one anyways. So I'm going to try to get the clear one on the both sides. I think that's all we can remove from the rear end. Let's hop inside and remove the rear seats. Over here is really tight space. Mustang is clearly for the back seat. It's not made for tall people. It's only for kids. that's all we're going to do for this video. It was a long day because we went to pick up a part and then it took long time to remove all the interior. So hopefully in next video we can start removing the exterior like this side skirt and rocker panel. Then we are going to try to remove the quarter panel glass too. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like and share below. And if you want to see more video of this Mustang GT build, please hit the subscribe so you can get the notification right away.